Good evening, everybody. You got Kody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Option Strategies, bringing you the options free video for tonight. And what I'm wanting to cover for tonight's free video is Netflix. So what about Netflix? Netflix has, honestly, sorry about that. I actually just already recorded this, but for some reason it didn't record. But nonetheless, Netflix was in this gap, right? It gapped down after earnings, sold off, it based for a while, came back up, tested the gap, and hit its head about 3 times. Roughly, maybe 4 if you want to count that. But the point is the trend has finally broke. It could have gone 2 ways. It could have broke out to the upside, or it obviously could have rolled over. And it finally rolled over. So this type of pattern I like to see on Netflix is it broke, it did retest and fail. Granted, it does have earnings next week, and a potential short entry going into next week may be good, and then also maybe even going short into earnings. And the reason for going short into earnings, sorry, that was a little hard for me to say, is because of the dark pool. So what is the dark pool doing? So right here I have all the dark pool prints of from some in September all the way to today. And what I really want to point out with this particular Excel spreadsheet is I have it sorted by price. And then right here is percent of its average daily volume. So what you can mainly see is at 248.50, there was 4% of its average daily volume. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with me. Apparently I'm stroking out. And then you can just see how the price gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. And it has it in the dates kind of coincide all the way down to today, which is at 220-ish, which is right where it's at right now. And so basically what this means is it looks like and appears that during this consolidation right here, it was selling during this consolidation and the pattern has been broken. And now it looks like price wants to come back down to the downside. So what I wanted to bring to you tonight was this potential bearish trade setup that you could potentially take action on if you do so wish to take. But what I do want you to understand is basically institution appears to be selling at this point. We finally got the trigger to go short. It did the break, retest, fail, and right now it's just testing the daily 5 EMA. So if they are indeed selling and the imbalance of buyers and sellers has occurred, right now it does look like it wants to go back down. Now, does it go further past earnings? No idea. But at the moment, it does look like it wants to do that. And if you're more of a indicator type trader and you need to see more, I guess, indicators, you can see that there is a bearish daily squeeze. It's within 1 ATR, and it's below the 50-day SMA. Everything is just looking like it wants to roll over. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you do wish to take action on this, honor your trading plan, respect your risk, don't over position size, and good luck. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see y'all the next time I need to make one. Take care, everybody.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me